Everybody, Thomas here. That's a big old cypress log. Today we're going to cut this up into mostly slabs. I'm thinking 2 inches because of how wide this is. At the base down here, I'm going off of memory, I'll have to look at it again, but I think it's like 28 at the base. It's around 20 down there. I'm going to first start off taking that large knot section off there and leave these smoother sides right here for the slabs. But I think this is going to be a pretty tree. I've cut the top portion of this tree. It didn't have a lot of color like I was hoping, but it is still cypress nonetheless, and it did have some figure in it, which I thought was pretty interesting. So I'm going to bring the saw head down probably another 2 inches from where it's at right now. Do a good reference cut, flip it over, and do the same thing. Then we're going to go ahead and slab this thing down. I'm going to throw in a time lapse, and we'll save some of the real-time stuff for some of the more interesting cuts. I'll probably have to do a blade change out too. So stay tuned. This should be a fun one. Okay folks, so here's the game plan. We're actually going to we went down 2 iterations of 2 inches. So I'm going to leave about a 4 and 1/8 inch thick slab that we're going to take off the top. And why would I do that? Well, I've got the pith there. And what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to get 2 mantles out of this center section here. And actually I'm going to bring up the computer again, bring it back down, because it doesn't quite look like 4 inches. Maybe it's an optical illusion. But anyways, we're going to take a 4-inch section out of this to get a mantle, or get 2 mantles, excuse me, and then we'll continue cutting the rest at 2 inches. The slabs coming off so far are pretty beautiful, and they are essentially bar tops in and of themselves, but I just don't feel comfortable with that center section there, even on Cypress, just because it holds so much dang moisture. So I want to go ahead, cut it at the 4-inch mark down like I am now, and then I'll still get 2 more slabs or so after that. So I'm going to bring the computer back up, because I think I short-changed the throw on the way down. Anyways, I'll bring it back up, set home, hit 2 inches down twice, and then we'll go ahead and make that cut. I'll do that one real time. 4-inch cut looks pretty good. I'm going to show you what this looks like on top. Barking at the neighbor's dogs over there. So you can see the slab. The slab looks beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And then 4 inches down, I'm assuming it's probably still going to look beautiful. Haha, what do you know? It does. Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and get this off. But this right here, I'll show you. We've got the pith right here. There's a pith, and I'm going to split right down that, and I'll have a mantle here and a mantle here. The end piece, I'll probably cut the end piece a little bit, just because there's so much taper on this. There's so much bell on this log here in that direction, but still, that's absolutely beautiful. Or that could be one heck of a freaking countertop at 4 inches thick. So something caught my eye over here. Yeah, some neat colors right here. I like that. But what we have here on the tractor also looks fantastic. So that right there's 23 down there. I think it's around like 18 over here or something like that. But still, that's an impressive slab right there nonetheless. So we're gonna go ahead and get this off, and we'll get back to cutting. I've got 3 more slabs that are still gonna come out of this. So 3 more pretty good slabs. We'll get 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like 4 usable 2-inch slabs. And excuse me, 4. What I'm talking about. 1, 2, 3. We'll have 6 usable slabs plus this large one here on top. So stay tuned. Here we go. Okay folks, I'll put a little more water on here, but the wood's beautiful, no doubt about it. This cypress is just absolutely beautiful. Very happy the way it turned out. I mean, beautiful big slabs. I don't have my tape on me right now, but yeah. But very beautiful stuff. This will make someone very happy. I think I'm going to send my dad back with a few of these as well. But just check out those colors. Very beautiful. This is going to be, of course, the 2 mantles right here. These 2 here kind of showed orientation where that could be like an epoxy river table or something like that. That'd be pretty neat. And any one of these really could be anything. Bar tops, countertops, epoxy tables. This end one here really would probably be the best bar top because of how wide it is and consistent it is. Pretty amazing stuff though. Gotta like this cypress we have down here. This is the largest living cypress tree I've cut. I have cut some sinker cypress that was a little bit larger, but it wasn't this long. It was a little bit wider, but not this long. But yeah, very impressed, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe. Always trying to grow the channel and keep it interesting. We'll see you around. Thanks.